Tunde, not you're someone I respect so much. I'm very disappointed that you will carry a video you will not verify and you put my picture on it. That video was made 2023 when I was still dating Chris Okafor. That video is not referring to me. As a matter of fact, I was in the church when Chris made that video. Please, Tunde, no, with due respect, I want you to remove my picture from that picture. That video. That is not a response from Chris Okafor to me. That's an old video. If you go to his page, that video was made 2023. It's not a response. I'm even surprised that D1 also posted that thing like a response to me. Someone reached out to me and said, Chris is bringing out money to do damage control. That was when they brought out that video. And they are circulating it to bloggers. So I have a lot of respect for you. I wouldn't want to believe that Chris sent you that video to do damage control for him. With due respect to you, kindly remove my picture from that video. Please, I don't want to fall out with you. You're someone I respect. Someone I hold to high esteem because of how you help people. Kindly remove my picture from that video. It wasn't referring to me at all. I have a surname. I'm from Ogala's family. Ogala's family is a very big name. Find out. The owner of Galcon company in Lagos, who built all the bridges, is my father's direct brother. My father is also a very rich man. My mother is a very wealthy person. So Chris couldn't have been referring to me because he knows all these details. With due respect to you, Tunde, not kindly remove my picture from that. And D1 as well, please remove my picture from that video. I already got the information that Chris is paying heavily to do damage control, and I don't want to believe that you guys were paid as well. This matter means so much to me. When you see someone in this situation, don't mock the person. I can wake up. You can wake up tomorrow. You might not see me again in the situation I am in now. This whole thing is. You guys don't know what I've been going through. You may wake up tomorrow and you will see Doris Ogala again in your life. You might wake up tomorrow and I won't be in this world again. I know the state of mind I am in right now. Chris did a lot to me. Chris contracted me to help him and his friends. And what did he pay me back with? He arrested me. He detained me in Abuja. He also arrested me 4 days to my brother's burial and kept me in state CID with a 4 2 days. For nothing. I did nothing because his friend gave me money and he took the money. And I started asking for the money. He paid me some and got me arrested for defamation. Chris has done a lot of things to me. Today, not with due respect to you, that video is not a recent video. That's an old video that Chris media team brought out for damage control. Kindly remove my picture from there. I respect you a lot. I respect you for your kindness, for humanity. But please, do not take this matter personal against me. I am not stable. I am suicidal. I am saying this from the bottom of my heart. It took me a lot to say all this. Everything I have built is on the mud. It's on the ground. But I don't care anymore. I'm not living for anyone. I've been through a lot in my life. I've been through a lot. Nothing means anything to me anymore. Chris dealt with me for no reason. This is my shame. Let me bear it. But please, that video is not a response to me. That's a video he made 2023. Today, not. If you wake up tomorrow and you don't see me again, your conscience will not be happy. This is not a joke to me. This person you're seeing here is suicidal. I am being very honest. I am devastated. I am heartbroken.
You are a young lady. You are just being arrogant, behaving, talking to people anyhow. You say, I know they respect anybody. I know well, oh. I know where finish, oh. Yet you are a young lady. You are not married. Now you they talk like that. Which man want marry who know where? Which man want to marry you when they know that you have slept with different men? God forbid. I know what I'm saying might be painful. Listen, the truth is better. It's bitter, but it's better for us. You are just arrogant. You see your senior, you cannot greet them. You'll be looking at them and misbehaving. You are doing all manner of things. And yet, you don't even have a father that have a name. Oh. There is no man that wants to marry a woman that is not submissive. There are many people saying, oh, when I marry, I will be a good wife. No, you are supposed to be a wife before they marry you. That's the problem. There are many women everywhere, but when you want to marry, you will know there are few wives. The Bible didn't say he that findeth a woman. It said he that findeth a wife, findeth what? A good thing, and obtaineth what? Favor. You want to marry, but you desire to marry, but you have refused to develop the capacity to be a wife. Men are not looking for women, they are looking for wife. So you have to be a wife first before a man comes to you. He that findeth a wife, findeth a wife. Ah, this girl is too submissive, this girl is teachable, you correct her, she will hear. That's what it means.